Hello, on this video we're going to show how you can expose a local service to the world using a Cloudflare tunnel from within Node-RED. We're going to be using a node which has been added to the catalog of public nodes of Node-RED. So the first thing we're going to do is we will be starting a Node-RED instance running on a container. Let's give it this name. We're going to be exposing classic port 1880, and we will be using the latest image of Node-RED. Now we have just started Node-RED, which is accessible on this URL on our local host. Let's get to the editor, and on this new page we will be adding the node to the editor from the palette. Let's look for it. It is Cloudflare is this one here. We can find it here on the flows of Node-RED. We click install. We will give a couple of seconds for it to get installed. Okay, so we will be able to find it under the network category here, this one. Now the first thing we have to do is add a configuration for this node to work properly. Let's create a new configuration. On this one here we are going to be leaving this test mode clicked. We'll call it test, and let's add the back node first. And when we hit deploy, we can connect this tunnel. As this is test node, we will be getting these messages on the back. Here we can get some data about the connection under this, and we will get a public URL. When we open this URL, we're just gonna be able to see that the tunnel has been created. So let's expose now the Node-RED editor. For that, we will be editing the configuration, adding a new one. Let's give it the name. Well, the first thing, Node-RED. We will check this so that we don't activate the test mode. And when we deploy this new configuration and we connect the tunnel, let's make sure, yeah, we're using the configuration we just created. When we connect the tunnel, we will get the same messages when the tunnel is connected, and now we will get this new URL. If we open the URL, this is gonna show our editor, but this time, as you can see, using public URL. It is a valid SSL provided by the Cloudflare CDN. Now let's well, the good thing of this node is that you can deploy several nodes in parallel, meaning you can get different tunnels exposing different services on your network. So let's expose now, for example, the Synology, this Synology dashboard, which is running on our local network. If we add a new node and we add a new configuration, this time let's call it Synology, for example, and the URL which is going to be linked to this tunnel is the one connecting to the Synology dashboard. So if we connect this, let's hit deploy first. If we connect this tunnel now, the process is going to be the same, but this time the URL exposed is going to point to the Synology dashboard instead of the Node-RED editor. As you see here, this is the URL exposed, and this is the public URL, which when we open will bring us to the Synology dashboard, as you see here, through a public URL. This is the local service, this is the service exposed to the internet. Now, as I told you before, the good thing of this is that you can have as many nodes as you want. So we have now two different tunnels. One of them is exposing the Synology dashboard, and the second one, through a different URL, is exposing the Node-RED editor. And you can add as many services as you want from your local LAN. As you see here, if we add, we can add a new node here, this one here, for example. Let's hit done, deploy. If we get back to our local host and we refresh, you see it here published. So I hope you like it. See you in the next video.